Hello, welcome back to the Crack Show. My name is the Super Gamer 007, and here is
Zombie Blade 92.
Shut up. That voice only works for me.
No, it is very precious.
Anyway, you remember how I was in the water last night? Last time. But now I am up here. I have gotten both the wings again.
Now it's time for the butt crack.
Now it's time to go for the tail. Did you literally just say butt crack?
Oh yeah, don't get the crack.
Kamehameha.
Again.
Blood in my face. It's ugly.
Black blade.
One more to go, and it's over.
Time to go up. Blood is spurting.
Oh my god, the water is covered in blood. There must be a shark nearby. I am diving. I would rather die than be eaten by a shark.
Go.
I would rather drown than be eaten by a shark. How far does that damn thing fall?
Far enough.
I want to die by suffocation. I want to be healed by goddamn spikes. Ah, damn! I was so close. Well, sorry for the short episode. Sort of like what happened in episode 2 or 4, I believe. But me and him gotta go. We got better plans. We got girls to meet. So, 3, 2, 1, bye-bye. Let's go.